हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ पैरिस कॉर्नर का खैर सीरीज का लेटेस्ट परफ्यूम लॉन्च लेकर आई हूँ एंड दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज पीच डिलुलु। Now, this is the sixth perfume from the Khair line from Paris Corner, and I am super excited to be reviewing this for you guys. Let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now, let's get started. I've purchased this one from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I have a non-affiliated coupon code. If you're interested, you can apply it at the checkout and avail a 5% off. Now, this is priced for 2,400. That is the MRP for 100 ml. And I have already on ScentopiaPerfumes.com, there was a discount and this was available at 1,749 rupees. So already it was on discount. Plus, I used my own coupon code to get that additional 5% off. And overall got it at a good deal. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this box. Now, Care boxes kind of look similar. Like if you have any of the Care perfumes earlier, the packaging is literally same, the color is just different. So this is what the Care box looks like and has like all the details in kind of like this nice yellow and golden, peach and yellow combination. Let's not call it golden, it's peach and yellow combination, like a light yellow combination with some golden details over it. The quality assurance sticker is right here, which tells you that the product is original. Now, this is how the perfume bottle looks like, and it has a nice peach to golden ombre effect going on, like similar to the box, has this peach and yellow golden combination going on to it. So the ombre looks really pretty. The bottle is see-through, so you can definitely see the juice inside and you can see the dent that I have given. Plus, this part is very Middle Eastern, like, you know, the cap part is very Middle Eastern here, and all the Care bottles look like this. So overall, the packaging does look good. Let's talk about the juice inside. Now, the sprayer is really nice, diffuses the product really well. Now, this perfume is a very fruity, spicy and woody and sweet kind of a fragrance. Like, that is like the chunky category of this perfume. So let's talk about the notes breakdown and then I'll tell you what exactly I feel about this perfume. This opens up with some nectarine, guava and peach, then has cardamom and ginger. Then in the base note, it has caramel, musk and dry woods. So this one opens up with a very strong guava note in my opinion. Like it's a very ripe, very pink guava, which is very juicy and it is very mature. Like it has riped to the fullest. So it's very sweet. And you know, when guava ripes, it has like the guava skin has this specific bitterness and that specific smell to it. That's exactly what they have captured in this perfume. So the peach in the peach delulu is kind of sitting in the background in my opinion. It's there, like the peach pulpiness is there, the peach skin is there, that hint of bitterness is there, but all of that is sitting in the background. For me, guava takes the front seat. To my nose, guava is most prominent in this. Then the kick of cardamom and ginger comes in, like that's what kicks in, and it gives it a very nice yet a very spicy and a warm feel in this fragrance. Musk, caramel and dry woods ties everything together, making it kind of like a mature scent. Now, I literally feel like this is nothing more than that guava red chili drink mocktail that we get, like the guava chili drink that we get. It literally smells like that, like guava pop fizzy soda. It literally smells like that. So just imagine that you are on a tropical vacation, you are sitting at the beach side and you have this chili guava mocktail drink that you are sipping and you're enjoying the sunset and coconut and the beach vibes, and overall a good vacation mood is what this perfume represents. The bottle here looks like sunset at the beach, and also the feel of this fragrance is very sunset at the beach. Now this one performs better than all the other Care perfumes that I have in my collection. This one gives me around 5 to 6 hours of longevity, and the sillage and projection is mediocre. It creates a good scent bubble around me, but it's not super projective. It is something that kind of like in the close vicinity, if you come and speak to me or if you give me a hug, you are definitely going to get a wisp of this fragrance. This is said to be inspired by Sarah Baker's Peach's Revenge. I don't have the tester for it and I have never experienced that fragrance, so I really don't know the percentage of what it is duping, but internet says that this one is kind of like inspired by that perfume. Now this one does give me a reminder of Bitter Peach by Maison Alhambra, the orange bottle that was released a couple of years back. It does give me a reminder of, or a similar kind of a DNA on those lines, because that one was more peachy with the peach skin, like the whole peach tree actually, not the skin. But this one is more of a guava meets peach situation. So this is more fruitier, more juicier, more sweeter version of that Bitter Peach from Maison Alhambra. I find this to be quite unisex fragrance because the fruits in here are also very mature and ripe. So I don't think that this is like very sweet and very feminine in nature. I think both men and women can enjoy this one. Also, the dry down on this one goes a little medicinal on my skin. Like I get that medicine wala bitterness in this. It's a very difficult fragrance to explain that way, because it's sweet also, it's fruity also, and it's kind of bitter also. But on my skin, on the dry down, it definitely has that medicinal touch to it, or a borderline cough syrup wala touch to it. Okay, I think that is because of the ginger that's present here. It does have that cough syrup ka effect. It's a good summer wear and it's kind of like a good daytime wear fragrance. I didn't wear it to office because the guava in this was screeching. So I was like, you know what, I do not want to smell like ripe guava all the time. So when I went to office, I did not kind of wear this one, and I thought that this is very occasion specific. When I am going for a tropical vacation, or if I'm going beachside, or if I'm going on a picnic or something, or outing, that's where I would like to wear something like this. Or even if I'm doing household chores, I can wear something like this. But in a formal, semi-formal occasion, I don't think this is an appropriate scent to wear. I also kind of don't think that this is a safe blind buy, because the guava and the peach combination is not for everyone. You really need to like that fruit, okay? You really need to like guava fruit in order to enjoy this perfume, is what I'm trying to insist on. The first thought when I sprayed this one, I was like, okay, this is the mocktail, because I specifically remember, because वो ग्लास के ऊपर ना उन्होंने ऐसे उल्टा करके ग्लास लाल मिर्ची का पाउडर लगा दिया था, एंड लाल मिर्च एंड सॉल्ट का पाउडर लगाया, एंड वो ग्लास को टिल्ट करके उसमें फिर वो पीच एंड ऑरेंज जूस फिल किया था, एंड आई वाज सिपिंग दैट. तो वो जो डिस्टिंक्ट जेस्टीनेस, डिस्टिंक्ट जूसीनेस एंड डिस्टिंक्ट मिर्ची का जो टेस्ट मेरे माउथ में आया था ना, मुझे इसको स्मेल करके एग्जैक्टली वही मॉकटेल याद आई. सो ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस एंड प्राइसिंग इन सबके हिसाब से ये काफ़ी अच्छा रिलीज है, एंड माई ओवरऑल रेटिंग ऑन दिस वन इज़ अ 8 out of 10. This performs well and better than all the other cares that I have. So it's kind of like a very good summer wear fragrance is what I'll say. So that was Peach de Lulu by Paris Corner Care. I hope that you enjoyed this review and it was helpful to make a decision whether you want to buy or skip this perfume. Thank you so much. If you like my content, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.